Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello people, my name is Nur Aziza Zainal. I am studying as first year student in Faculty of Teacher Training and Education program majoring English language in the prestigious university, Riau University. So today I would like to explain you about how to use simple future tense. So check it out, okay?
The simple future is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that have not happened yet. Let's see the example. This year, Jan will read War and Peace. It will be hard, but she's determined to it. How to form the simple future? The formula for the simple future is will plus root form of verb. Example: I will learn a new language. Jan will read that book. You will see what I mean. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural, the formula for the simple future tense doesn't change. But there is another way to show that something will happen in the future. It follows the formula am, is, are, plus going to, plus root form verb. Example: I am going to learn a new language. Jan is going to read that book. You are going to see what I mean. The going to construction is common in speech and casual writing. Keep in mind too that it's on the informal side, so it's a good idea to stick to the will plus root form construction in formal writing. How to make the simple future negative? To make the simple future negative, the formula is will plus not plus root form. Let's see the example. Sharon will not quit before she reaches her goal. I will not say anything bad about my friend. For using the going to construction, the formula is am, is, are, plus not, plus going to, plus root form. Example: Sharon is not going to quit before she reaches her goal. I am not going to say anything bad about my friend. How to ask a question? To ask a question in the simple future, the formula is will plus subject plus root form. Example: will you marry me? What will you buy with the money you found? Well, the formula for the going to construction is am, is, are, plus subject, plus going to, plus root form. Example: is Jan going to finish that book over the summer? What are you going to buy with the money you found?
Okay, I think that's all for today's lessons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.